What's good, Shumps? Welcome back to another video. It's currently 3:57 in the morning. I got 3 more reactions coming for y'all after this one. We got Happy Tree Friends tongue in cheek. Shout out to whoever recommended this video. Smash the like button, smash the subscribe button. Let's get it. Look at this dumbass. First of all, I was just about to say how ugly he is, and somebody in the comments on my last video Dad said that he's not that ugly. Bro, be real with yourself, bro. Look at him. Look at him right now. Like, what the fuck? That shit was mad funny. I ain't expect him to get hit. And of course it's this nigga. My son got a nice little fit on. Okay. My son got a nice little calm fit. Nah, he about to do some nasty works on an ant, bro. That's kind of crazy. Look at him. He's loving every second of that shit. Come on, bro. Just let the ant go. Dumbass. Oh. You losing, my boy. You down 0-1. Gotta jump, bro. Oh. Nigga is losing to a fucking ant, bro. And you the predator, my nigga. That's the prey. You supposed to be winning, bro. What the fuck, nigga? How long does this nigga's tongue stretch, bro? That's some crazy works, bro. If my son Sniffles had a girl, I don't even gotta say too much. Damn. Yeah, Lumpy saved her. Damn. Nah, this nigga is ugly, bro. I'm sorry. And I watched a video like this. You got your ass bust by the ants when you tried to kill the dad or some shit, or the brother. You got your ass bust. You got killed in the worst way. They pinned you up to the tree. Tortured you crazy. I see you don't learn, my nigga. My nigga, you still gonna try, bro? You not about to win, bro. Just give it up. Bro, what the fuck is he doing? Like, this episode is fake blowing my shit, bro. Cause he not even doing shit for real. Oh, he destroyed the home. It's up. I could already predict it's over. Oh, they about to fry him. It's over, y'all. It's over. I want everybody to wave to Sniffles. Just wave goodbye. Because this nigga is done. Just wave, bro. Look at him. Look what they making him do. Just wave with me. Make sure you waving. Say goodbye. Cause he's done. Oh, shit. That's that's so nasty, bro. Oh, what he about to do? Yeah, put your tongue in that shit. Oh shit, that's nasty. Damn, I faked it back. Ah, shit. I'm sorry, bro, but you started with them first, my nigga. You started with them first, bro. You shouldn't have done it. Oh! Oh. Oh, shit.
Oh!
Like I said, this nigga Sniffles is the predator, bro. You supposed to be the one killing the ants. It's really not that hard, my nigga. Your tongue stretch. You should be valid. You should be frying them. But you getting got every time. And this is worse than the other one. They turned you into a house, my nigga. They turned you into their crib. Nice crib. Big crib. Niggas playing golf on your shit. Niggas playing golf with your intestines and shit, bro. That's how you go out? Nah, buddy. You went out the worst way, bro. I'm not gonna lie. You the weak link, my nigga. I'm sorry to say it. You the weak link, because you never seem to ever get anything done. Damn, bro. You can't even eat, my nigga. You can't even eat the food you supposed to eat. What the fuck? You getting fried. Hey, man. Thank y'all so much for watching. Make sure y'all smash the like button, smash the subscribe button, turn on post notifications. I love y'all. See y'all in the next video. Remember, you can achieve anything if you believe in yourself, work hard, and you trust God. Grow.